Welcome to this video on the growing energy demands of modern data centers, powering the digital revolution. The vast network of servers is the invisible backbone of our digital world. However, the energy needs of AI are colliding with traditional power requirements, giving data centers an insatiable appetite for electricity. To maintain 99.999% availability, data centers require constant operation, robust cooling systems to prevent hardware from melting, and redundancy systems to guarantee reliability during grid failures. Hidden energy costs, or orbital overhead, include power conversion losses, environmental controls like precision air filtration, and 24-hour physical security. When electricity passes through a processor, nearly all of it converts into heat. Without immediate heat removal, cooling systems consume almost as much energy as the servers themselves. Cooling technology has evolved from air and liquid cooling to immersion cooling, which uses non-conducting fluids to reduce energy use by up to 90%, and free cooling, utilizing cold climates. The silicon shift shows that AI-optimized server racks, using GPUs, have a massive power demand, drawing 40 to 100 plus kilowatts, compared to the steady, predictable demand of traditional CPU-based racks. The AI energy lifecycle includes the training phase, consuming megawatt amounts continuously for months, and the inference phase, where a single request can use 10 times more electricity than a standard search. The global grid impact is substantial. Data centers are estimated to consume 415 terawatt-hours in 2024, projected to more than double to 945 terawatt-hours globally by 2030. The energy squeeze highlights an unsustainable trajectory where hardware density limits, cooling physics constraints, and macro grid capacity intersect, necessitating a merge of power generation and computation architecture. Power usage effectiveness, or PUE, measures data center efficiency. A PUE of 1.0 is perfect, while the industry average is 1.5. Industry leaders aim for PUEs closer to 1.1. The prosumer ecosystem involves integrating energy generation with the data center. This includes on-site renewables, energy storage, and small modular reactors, SMRs, for steady, carbon-free power. Data centers are the engines of the modern world, requiring an unprecedented amount of fuel. The tech industry must innovate energy management as quickly as it innovates software to power the AI revolution sustainably.